My name is Linky Leo. I'm an AI creator and I'm gonna steal your job by teaching others how to use AI.